Hello smart learners, today you will learn about what horizontal and vertical lines are in LaTeX. So let's first begin with horizontal lines. A horizontal line is a line that goes from left to right. In LaTeX, we can create horizontal lines using command like \HRuleFill, \rule, or by using \hline. Horizontal lines are useful for separating sections, creating signatures, or formatting tables. Moving forward to vertical lines. A vertical line is a line that goes from top to bottom. In LaTeX, vertical lines are commonly used in tables by placing the pipe symbol in the table format. First of all, open the LaTeX document. Write, this is some text. Now insert \hruleFill. Now write this text appears below the horizontal line. Now let's compile it. As you can see, this horizontal line is appearing like this. Now let's write horizontal line with \rule. Write the code and write \rule. Open curly braces, \line width. More text below the line. Okay, what does the \line width does? It makes the line as wide as the page, whereas 0.5 mm decides the thickness of a line. Horizontal line in the table. Now add the basic syntax of the table. So as you can see that hline draws a horizontal line. It is mainly used inside the tables. Moving forward to vertical line using \rule. Write \rule, open curly braces 1 mm, open curly braces 3 cm. So 1 mm here is basically the width of vertical line, whereas 3 cm here is the height of the vertical line. So next thing is that how can we insert vertical lines in a table? Let's insert the basic syntax of the table first. And as you can see that this vertical pipe back to symbols create vertical line between the columns and around the table. So these commands help improve the layout and readability of the documents. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching the video.